Picture this, it's a peaceful Sabbath afternoon and Jesus has been invited round to a Pharisee's house for dinner. Pharisees were the religious experts of the time, always keen on following the rules. But Jesus, he's about to shake things up. At the dinner table, there's a man who's not well. Now, healing on the Sabbath was considered a big no-no by many. So Jesus asks, is it lawful to heal on the Sabbath or not? The Pharisees stay silent. No answer. No defense. So Jesus, full of compassion, heals the man right there and sends him on his way. He's showing everyone that caring for others is always the right thing, no matter what day it is. Then, turning to his host, Jesus has another surprise. He says, when you throw a dinner party, don't just invite your friends or family or rich neighbors. If you do, they might just invite you back, and that's your reward done and dusted. Instead, invite the poor, the disabled, those who are struggling. They can't pay you back, but you'll be truly blessed, rewarded by God himself. One of the guests pipes up, "Blessed is the one who will eat at the feast in the kingdom of God." And that gets Jesus thinking. He launches into a story, a parable, about what God's kingdom is really like. He says, imagine a man throws a huge banquet and invites loads of people. When everything's ready, he sends his servant to tell them, "Come on in, dinner's ready." But one by one, they all make excuses. One's bought some land and needs to see it. Another's got new oxen to try out. Someone else has just got married. No time for supper. So the servant comes back and tells the master all these excuses. The master's not happy. He says, right, go out into the streets and alleys. Bring in the poor, the crippled, the blind, and the lame. The servant does, but there's still room left. So the master says, go further, out into the country roads and hedges. Bring everyone in. I want my house full. And here's the punchline. None of those who were originally invited will get a taste of my banquet. Jesus is teaching us something powerful here. God's love isn't just for the ones who seem to have it all together. It's for everyone, especially those who feel left out or overlooked. And he's asking us too, who will you invite to your table? Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, remember, there's always room at God's table for you.